Well, from the lower chamber, we cross over now to the upper chamber. The legal sector will now be armed with a new piece of legislation to fight crime at another level. The Interception of Communications Bill has made its way through the Senate and is on the way to becoming law. The bill has gotten the support of both sides of the upper chamber. And as Betty Thompson-Moss tells us, it can have wide-reaching impact on the crime war.
The Interception of Communications Bill surfaced under the Progressive Liberal Party, but is now back as a key legal piece of legislation under the new government. Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs, the Honourable Carl Bethel, sought to point out the differences under both governments. The previous piece of legislation, he said, was too broad and could involve any situation.
It gave the police carte blanche, absolute freedom to spy on people based on the allegation of any crime, no matter how trivial the matter might have been. The fact that even infractions of the law which could only possibly have been dealt with by a magistrate, therefore by their nature being minor and sometimes trivial offenses, they could have been the subject of an application for an interception warrant because under the PLP bill, any offense is all that is needed. Any.
According to the Attorney General, this new piece of interception bill will deal with indictable offences which could range from acts of terrorism, proceeds of crime, murder, and also human trafficking.
What we've done is we've carved out what I call a bubble or zone of privacy. Only the most serious offenses that are indictable are going to be offenses in respect of which an interception warrant can be applied for. Not any offense.
The new piece of legislation, once dubbed as the Spy Bill, will also provide further protection for citizens.
No more will the police be able to go to a magistrate and get some warrant and go to the home of the then national chairman or anyone like him, Darren Cash, and say they have a search warrant that allowed them to confiscate his computer, home computer, iPad, him and his wife's cell phone, and for them to take them and subject those tools and equipments to some kind of search. Okay? A judge will stop it.
The Attorney General also made it clear that the Interception of Communications Bill is drafted to ensure that persons who use stolen information can also find themselves committing an offence. Betty Thompson-Moss, ZNS Network News.